Stop scrolling. Because this is not just another fast BMW. This is the 2026 BMW M5, a car that can quietly drive your kids to school, crawl through traffic like a calm hybrid, and then, with one press of a button, turn into a missile that embarrasses supercars costing twice as much. And here's the crazy part. For the first time ever, the M5 is electrified. That means more power, better city driving, and surprisingly lower running costs than you expect from a V8 monster. If you think the M5 is only for rich car guys who love burnouts, stay with me for the next few minutes, because this one might actually make sense for real roads, real traffic, and real ownership in the USA and Asian markets. Let's talk money first, because that decides everything. In the USA, the 2026 BMW M5 starts around $120,000 before options. In Japan, after taxes and import costs, expected to land closer to 18 to 19 million yen. In ASEAN markets like Singapore, Thailand, or Malaysia, prices vary a lot due to duties, but realistically you're looking at the equivalent of $150,000 to $200,000 depending on country. Yes, it's expensive. But this is not a normal luxury sedan. This is BMW's flagship performance four-door, and now it's a plug-in hybrid. Under the hood is a twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor. Total output is massive, well over 700 horsepower. But let me explain what that means in simple terms. In city driving, you don't need to floor it. The electric motor gives instant push from zero speed, so traffic gaps feel easy, smooth, and stress-free. No lag, no drama. On the highway, when you press the accelerator at 60 or 70 miles per hour, the car just surges forward like it's angry at the road. Overtaking is effortless. You don't plan passes. You just do them. Now let's talk fuel average, because this is where the new M5 surprises everyone. In pure city traffic, short trips, and slow commutes, the plug-in hybrid system allows limited electric-only driving. That means zero fuel use for short runs, parking lot driving, or stop-and-go traffic. In mixed driving, real-world combined fuel economy sits around the mid to high 20s miles per gallon if you actually use the hybrid system properly. That's impressive for a car with this level of performance. Compared to the old M5, fuel savings are real, especially in urban areas. If you charge at home overnight in the USA, your electricity cost for daily commuting is much lower than burning premium fuel every day. Maintenance is the part most people fear, so let's be honest. This is still a BMW M car. Oil changes, performance tires, and brakes are not cheap. Annual maintenance in the USA can range from $2,500 to $4,000 depending on how hard you drive. In Japan and ASEAN markets, authorized service is expensive, but BMW's global parts network is strong. The good news is that hybrid systems reduce engine stress in city driving, which can help long-term reliability. Brake wear is also lower thanks to regenerative braking. That saves money over time. Resale value is another strong point. The M5 has always held value better than most luxury sedans. With this being the first electrified M5, demand is expected to stay high, especially in Asian markets where performance sedans with hybrid tech are highly respected. In the USA, expect solid resale after 3 to 5 years, especially if mileage is reasonable and service history is clean. Ownership cost also includes insurance, and yes, insurance is high. In the USA, expect premium insurance rates due to power and repair costs. However, many insurers now recognize hybrid safety systems and advanced driver assistance, which can slightly reduce premiums compared to older M cars. In Japan and parts of ASEAN, insurance is structured differently but still premium level. Parts availability is excellent globally, especially in major cities. BMW M parts are widely stocked, and waiting times are much shorter than exotic brands. Now let's compare this briefly with Toyota and Honda, because people always ask. Toyota doesn't offer anything that truly competes with the M5 in performance. The closest in spirit would be a Lexus LS Hybrid, which is comfortable and efficient but nowhere near as exciting or fast. Honda also has no direct rival. Even the Acura performance sedans focus more on balance than raw power. What the M5 offers is a unique mix. You get Toyota-like hybrid efficiency in traffic, Honda-like daily usability, and then insane BMW M performance when you want fun. That combination simply doesn't exist elsewhere. For USA roads and traffic, this car actually makes sense if you can afford it. Wide highways, long commutes, and mixed driving conditions suit the M5 perfectly. Adaptive suspension keeps it comfortable over rough roads, while all-wheel drive gives confidence in rain and cold conditions. In busy city traffic, electric assist makes it smoother and quieter than older M cars. On open highways, it feels stable, planted, and incredibly safe at speed. For overseas Asian buyers, especially those who value technology, status, and performance in one package, the 2026 M5 ticks every box. It looks aggressive but still classy. It sounds powerful but not annoying. It saves fuel when driven calmly and delivers thrills when pushed. So who should buy this car? If you want a luxury sedan that can replace a sports car, handle daily driving, impress clients, and still make you smile every single time you press the start button, this is it. The 2026 BMW M5 is not just fast. It's smart fast. It's modern fast. And it's finally a performance car you can live with every day. If this review helped you understand whether the new M5 is worth your money, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. More honest, high RPM car reviews are coming, and you don't want to miss what's next.